The Indus Valley Civilization existed from about 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE. The most developed stage, called the mature Harappan phase, lasted between 2600 and 1900 BCE. UPSC often asks about these phases and chronology, making it a must-remember fact for prelims. The Harappan civilization covered a vast area across the Indus and Ghaggarakra river systems. UPSC often asks extreme points of the civilization, so remember Sutkaginder in the west and Alamgirpur in the east. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are the two most famous cities of the Indus civilization. These cities had similar urban structures, and UPSC frequently asks questions about major Harappan sites. Harappan cities were highly planned with grid layouts and advanced drainage systems. This level of urban planning was unmatched in ancient times and is frequently tested in UPSC prelims. Dholavira is famous for its sophisticated water conservation system. UPSC asked a question on this in 2022, highlighting the importance of water management in the Harappan civilization. The Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro is one of the most iconic structures of the Harappan civilization. Other important structures include granaries and the famous dockyard at Lothal. Agriculture was the backbone of the Harappan economy. Wheat and barley were major crops, and the civilization is famous for being among the first to cultivate cotton. The Harappans had a well-developed trade system. Evidence shows trade connections with Mesopotamia, and standardized weights were used to maintain economic uniformity. Harappan art is famous for seals, figurines, and metal sculptures. The bronze dancing girl of Mohenjo-daro is one of the most famous artifacts discovered. Religion in the Indus civilization is understood mainly through seals and figurines. Evidence suggests mother goddess worship and a Protoshiva figure seen in the famous Pashupti seal. The Indus script remains one of the biggest mysteries of ancient history. Despite many attempts, it has not been deciphered yet, making it a possible future UPSC question area. The decline of the Harappan civilization started around 1900 BCE. Scholars suggest climate change, shifting rivers, and economic decline as possible reasons for the collapse.